Okay, so let's move on to silos. Now, silos can get so complicated if you start researching over the internet, but what I do is a really basic silo and it works almost every time. So just stick to this simple format and you'll be okay. Now, under each category, you're going to want pages with related content. And all these pages are going to be linking back to the top of the silo or back to the top category page. So with all the silos that you're going to build, there's going to be a link to the top page. Keep it simple. That's all you really need to do. And this is going to help with your interlinking on the website. And when Google crawls all these pages, it's going to use all these factors and help determine which pages on your website are the most powerful. And then it's going to want to rank those powerful pages. So let me show you an example of a silo. Okay, so here is a basic silo structure. And what you're going to have is on the main category page, you're going to link to the top of this silo. And then this page is going to link below. But however, you're going to see here, all these pages are going to have a link on them back to the top. So back to the top. So back to the top. So if you're pouring juice into this, let's just say the juice flows here, it flows to the bottom, but the juice is also flowing back to the top page. So that's how the Google juice works. Down, flow it, back to the top. Same thing on this other category. All these silo pages, the juice is going to flow down and just naturally flow back to the category page. So these top category pages are going to be the most powerful pages on your website, and they're going to end up ranking for the keywords that you want. Now for the titles of the silo pages, what you want to do, so for example, air conditioning repair service, let's make a page on how to clean your air conditioning unit. Let's make another page on how long to run your AC. Let's make a page for air conditioning costs in city. So you see what I'm saying? So all of these pages are related to the top category page, and that's how you're going to get the most effect out of a silo. If you have related pages linking back to the top category page, Google's going to see this top category page as an authoritative page on your site, and it's going to want to rank this really high. So now on to the content pages, or what we call blog posting pages. Now these pages are the silo pages underneath the main category. So for example, if your main category page is real estate agent, a blog post that you would want written would be something like 3 tips to sell your house fast. Now inside that article, you're going to link back to your main category page with an anchor text that relates to the category page. So you can outsource these to iWriter.com, or you could scrape the internet, find a related article, and just rewrite it yourself. Now the search engine spiders will recrawl your site once they see that there's new content on there. Remember, they are always curious for what's on your site. They're going to crawl your site more often when they become more curious about the content on your website. Now you kind of want to treat the spiders like idiots. You just want to tell them exactly where they want to go to on the website, and they're going to go there. So link back to the main pages, and the spiders are going to find the new content and then go straight back to the main page and realize this page is more important than they thought it was. So what you want to do with the content pages when you're building them out is have them on a schedule. You want to do about 3 to 4 articles per month. And the most important thing is you want these articles to be information based, not promotional based. Have them be on topics relating to the main category pages at the top of your silo, and you'll be fine. Just get unique and get creative, and you'll figure out some type of title you can use for the blog post. Now you want to drip feed these to the website. Don't just throw them all on there at once. Have them set about once per week to be released to the website. Now let me show you how I spin content for all my blog and content pages. These are the silo pages, not the top of the silo, but the inner silo pages. First, I'm going to go grab an article from goarticles.com, and then I'm going to simply submit it to wordai.com, spin the article, and just take the article and go publish it. It's really easy. Let me show you how I do it. Okay, so this is goarticles.com. So what you want to do is, let's use that real estate agent example and let's find a blog post for that category. So we'll type in sell your home fast. Now look at all these content articles written here already. Some easy tips to sell your home fast. That's a perfect one. So what you want to do is copy this to a text file, and then we're going to submit it to wordai.com and spin it. So let's go ahead and do so. Okay, wordai.com. Let's log in here. And we'll go to the Turing spinner, which is a top-notch spinner. And let's just input all the information right here. Thank you. Okay, let's go ahead and spin this article. Spinning quality, very readable. Spin. And I'll pause this video and I'll start it back up when it's complete. Okay, the article has been spun, and check this out. This article has a WordAI uniqueness of 84%. Now that's pretty darn good. So let's go ahead and grab this super unique spin right here, and here is our blog post. So what you want to do is put this on a text file, and voila, you got yourself a blog post that is 84% unique. And what I usually do is go in here and modify some of the keywords that relate to my topic. So let's see here. If you are looking for the best real estate agent around, then you are reading the right article. Now look what I've just done. I have created my anchor text right there that's going to link back to the main category page. So that's a good practice for you guys to do, and it's really helpful. Just talk like caveman style, you know? This is already a spun article, so it's not like this is going to be shared or anything like that. So you just want to make sure that there's a sentence in the article where you can have the anchor text that you want. In this case, real estate agent, because I want this to be linking back to the main category page, because when the spiders go to this, remember, treat them like little children. What's this page? Real estate agent page. I wonder what's in there. And they're going to go to that top page and realize that since a lot of pages are linking to that, it must be important. And that's how you spin an article using WordAI and GoArticles.com.